we're just hearing from President Trump via Truth Social that he is firing the Commissioner of Labor Statistics. He says effective immediately. This, of course, coming after the jobs report this morning showed lower than expected job growth for the previous month, as well as major downward revisions for the past two. So the president focusing on those revisions in particular in this Truth Social post, saying he's firing Dr. Erica McIntyre for the Commissioner of Labor Statistics because she was a Biden appointee. She was appointed to her job in January 2024. He says this is the same Bureau of Labor Statistics that overstated the jobs growth in March 2024 by approximately 818,000, and then again right before the 2024 presidential election. He says these were records. No one can be that wrong. We need accurate jobs numbers. He goes on to say, I have directed my team to fire this Biden political appointee immediately. She will be replaced with someone much more competent and qualified. Important numbers like these must be fair and accurate. They can't be manipulated for political purposes. He says much more about McIntyre and about the revisions that we saw this morning, Brian. And towards the end of this very long post, he goes on to say, Jerome, quote, too late Powell should also be put out to pasture. So again, returning to those strong words for Jerome Powell here, Brian. But I want to emphasize a major move here by the president. Those jobs numbers that come out every month, yes, they are subject to revisions. These are larger than normal revisions that we saw this morning. That's part of what you've seen the market reacting to all day. But when it comes to government statistics and the jobs numbers in particular, the independence of these agencies and the accuracy of the numbers has always been paramount. So accusing these agencies of politically manipulating the numbers is a major step here. A little bit of background on McIntyre. Yes, she was appointed to this position by President Biden in January 2024, but she's also a labor economist who served over 20 years in the federal government. She's held positions at the U.S. Census Bureau, the Executive Office of the President, and the Department of Treasury as well. So not someone who was just put in there at the end of Biden's term that was a stranger to government, more than 20 years in government. Brian, now the president saying he's firing her effective immediately.